Welcome to a demo on how to use Aeries to access student data. In this video we are using a demo site. All data shown is not an actual student. When you first log in, you will be taken to your home screen. What you see on that home screen may vary depending on your settings. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will see a blue menu bar. This is where you go to take attendance, access the gradebook, and where you can find the student data section. Anytime you see a triangle, you can click on it to expand the menu bar. Let's do that with the student data section now. As you can see, there is a lot of information here. Let's start in the Profile tab. When we click on Profile, we are taken to a screen with a wealth of information about our students. At the top, we will see some demographic information, such as name, permanent ID, grade, and birth date. The second row of information here has some codes. By hovering our mouse over the letter, we can see what each of these codes stands for. The information listed will be different from what you see here in the demo site and may be different from site to site. The top of this profile section will also give you some parent contact information at a quick glance. There are several other areas we can see at a glance on the profile page, although some of these will differ depending on your level. You will see attendance summary, gradebook summary, test results, linked portal accounts, and current programs. You may also see data snapshot and graduation status. Anything that you see with an underline indicates that it is a link that will take you to a deeper view of that information. For example, if we click on attendance summary, we are taken to a more in-depth screen about that student's attendance. Let's go back to that profile page. Within the gradebook summary section, we can get some very useful information. We can see the name of the gradebooks for that student, along with the teacher, percentage, and letter grade. The trend of the student's score details how they are doing over the semester. A blue box means their grade has remained fairly steady, red means it has declined, and green means it has gone up. As we can see, Alan has 18 missing assignments in his English class. While that is good to know, if we click on the title of the class, we will be able to see the entire gradebook. The red boxes indicate the missing assignments. We can also see scores for all the assignments in the gradebook. Let's go back to the profile page again. Over on the right-hand side is the test results. This will give you a snapshot of the most recent testing. Eventually, SBAC data will be here as well. Again, if we click on the underlined title of the test, we see a screen with more detailed information. As you can see, this student profile page has a lot of information. We are currently looking at one student's information. In order to see information for other students, we can do two things. If we click on the arrow here, we will be taken through all of our students alphabetically. If we would like to search for a specific student or view a specific class period, we can click on the magnifying glass. This will pop up a new dialog box. We can type a student name in the box here and click Go. Also, if we click the drop-down arrow here, we can choose a specific class to search. Click on a student's name from the list to go directly to his or her information. While most of the information you will need can be accessed from this profile page, there are some other tabs on the left that will be useful as well. The Contacts section will give more detailed contact information about our students. The Attendance tab will take us to the same detailed attendance report we got by clicking Attendance Summary on the profile page. If we click on the arrow next to the Grades tab, we will see more options appear. This will apply mostly to secondary students, but the benchmark gradebooks can be accessed here for the elementary students as well. Clicking on Grades will take us to a screen that shows the letter grades for each quarter. By clicking on Gradebook Summary, we can get a detailed look at each gradebook. Clicking on the underlined title of the gradebook will allow us to dive even deeper, seeing the individual assignments. Two other useful sections are Guidance and Intervention. Not all schools are entering this information into Aeries, but if yours does, you can see notes added by Counseling and Discipline. We can also access the test scores from this blue menu bar. Click the triangle to expand your options. The scheduling section will give us access to a secondary student's schedule. This tutorial has demonstrated some of the student data you can access through Aeries.